Understanding Literary Legacy, a guide to English language learning. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and important concept in literature and culture, the literary legacy. This term might sound a bit complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together, making it easy to understand and appreciate. The phrase, literary legacy, refers to the lasting impact or influence that a writer, their works, or a particular literary movement has on future generations. It's not just about the books or poems they wrote, but also about the ideas, themes, and styles they introduced or popularized. Think of it as a footprint left in the sands of literature, one that shapes the path of future writers and readers. To better understand this concept, let's look at some examples. For instance, Shakespeare's influence on English literature and language is a perfect example of a literary legacy. His innovative use of language, character development, and themes set a standard that many writers still follow today. Another example is the Romantic movement, led by poets like Wordsworth and Keats, which emphasized emotion and nature, leaving a lasting impression on how we view personal expression in literature. Understanding literary legacies is crucial because it helps us connect with the past and understand the evolution of literature and language. It also allows us to appreciate the diversity and richness of literary traditions. By recognizing these legacies, we can see how literature shapes and reflects societal values and personal identities across generations. In this section, let's explore how to identify traces of literary legacies in modern works. Look for recurring themes, styles, or character types that echo past literature. For example, the theme of human versus nature, popular in Romantic literature, often reappears in contemporary environmental writing. Recognizing these connections enriches our reading experience and deepens our understanding of the literary world. I hope this discussion has shed light on the fascinating concept of literary legacies. Remember, every piece of literature we read today is part of a larger, ongoing conversation that spans centuries. Thank you for joining me in this exploration, and I look forward to our next literary journey together. Keep reading, keep learning, and keep enjoying the wonderful world of literature.